Tell me and I will forget. Show me and I may not remember. Involve me, I will understand. The establishment of student councils gives students the opportunity to acquire the sort of communication, planning, and organizational skill which will be beneficial to them in their future. Today, we have the oath taking ceremony where the all council member administered by our sport teacher Mr. Amol Palekar sir are taking oath. Head girl, head boy, and all council member are going to promise to shoulder the responsibility firmly and efficiently. So I will request, I'll hand over to Srikant sir for oath permission. Srikant sir, hand over to you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Respected principal, sir. This is Shrikant, sir. As an event coordinator, PIS Karar, I kindly request you for permission for oath ceremony for student council member.
Okay, granted.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Over to Pradna, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you once again. All council members need to urge all students to follow four things A, B, C, D. A. A stand for academics, B stand for balance, C stand for co-curricular activities, and D stand for discipline. We are sure that our student council member will help us and contribute to development of our school. And now the most awaited moment has finally arrived, the oath taking ceremony. I request Principal Sir to kindly take oath for newly formed school cabinet. I would like to invite our school head boy, Master Yashraj Jogdan, for the oath.
Good morning, sir.
He has a good communication skill, has a good confidence for leading whole school as a head boy. Over to you, sir. I think Mike is on mute, sir.
I,
I, Yashraj Jyotai, as head boy, solemnly promise that I will serve my fellow students and school sincerely. I will endeavor to be a perfect model of discipline. I will actively participate in the school curricular activities and endeavor to bring laurels and glory to it. I, as a prefect, will uphold loyalty to the traditions and ethos of Podar International School Karate. I vow that I will do my best for creating an environment of discipline among all the students and carry out all my duties with all my efforts which are interested to me. Thank you.
Thank
thank you.
you. Now I would like to call Miss Anushka Kadam, head girl for school 2021. Anushka Kadam. She actively participated in extra co-curricular activities. She was a volunteer last 2 years as a vice cultural captain. Over to you, sir.
I,
I, Anushka Kadam, as head girl, solemnly promise I will serve my fellow students and school sincerely. I will endeavour to be a perfect role model of discipline. I will actively take part in school activities and endeavour to bring laurels and glory to it. As a prefect, I will uphold loyalty to the traditions and ethos of the school. I vow that I will do my best to maintain discipline among students and carry out all the duties entrusted to me. Thank you.
thank you.
Thank you, Anushka. Now, here is the next student leader, vice head boy, Mohammad Afan Quadri. Afan, Afan Quadri. Yes, Shrikant sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Afan Quadri is here.
Yeah,
Yes,
he was present. He is
yes, yes.
present.
He has recent confident presence of mind, great stage courage, and good general knowledge. Over to you, sir.
I,
I, Mohammad Afan Qadri, as Vice Head Boy, solemnly promise I will serve my fellow students and school sincerely. I will endeavor to be perfect role model of discipline. I will actively take part in school activities and endeavor to bring laurels and glory to it. As a prefect, I will uphold loyalty to the traditions and ethos of the school. I vow that I will do my best to maintain discipline among students and carry out all the duties entrusted to me.
thank you.
Thank you. I would like to invite Vice Head Girl Miss Pranjali Joshi for the oath. Pranjali Joshi.
I,
I, Pranjali Joshi, as Vice Head Girl, solemnly promise I will serve my fellow students and school sincerely. I will endeavor to be a perfect role model of discipline. I will actively take part in school activities and endeavor to bring laurels and glory to it. As a prefect, I will uphold loyalty to the traditions and ethos of the school. I vow that I will do my best to maintain discipline among students and carry out all the duties entrusted to me. Thank you.
Thank you. Now I would like to invite Secretary Ms. Bhumi Aram. She is a good, observant and listener. She always follow her duties with passion. Over to you, sir.
I,
I, Bhumi Ram, as Secretary, solemnly promise I will serve my fellow students and school sincerely. I will endeavor to be a perfect role model of discipline. I will actively take part in school activities and endeavor Lawrence and glory to it. As a prefect, I will uphold loyalty to the traditions and ethos of the school. I vow that I will do my best to maintain discipline among students and carry out all my duties entrusted to me. Thank you.
Thank you. Now Joint Secretary will take the oath. So I would like to invite Ms. Tejashri Patil. Tejashri Patil.
Yes, ma'am.
She is creative, good in communication skill and believing in teamwork. Hand over to you, sir.
I,
I, Tejasri Patil, as Joint Secretary, solemnly promise I will serve my fellow students and school sincerely. I will endeavor to be a perfect role model of discipline. I will actively take part in school activities and endeavor to bring laurels and glory to it. As a prefect, I will uphold loyalty to the traditions and ethos of the school. I vow that I will do my best to maintain discipline among students and carry out all the duties entrusted to me. Thank you.
Thank you, Tejashri. Now, here is our sport captain, Miss Rajvi Patil for the oath. Rajvi,
Yes, ma'am.
keep your camera on. Her dreams to play at international level. She received a national jump rope championship, 4 gold medals, 1 silver medal. In table tennis also, she received silver medal. In cricket, she wants to play the cricket at district. She played cricket at district level. Hand over to you, sir.
I,
I, Rajvi Patil, as a sports captain, solemnly promise I will serve my fellow students and school sincerely. I will endeavor to be perfect role model of discipline. I will actively take part in school activities and endeavor to bring laurels and glory to it. As a prefect, I will uphold loyalty and to the traditions and ethos of the school. I vow that I will do my best to maintain discipline among students and carry out all the duties entrusted to me. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Now I would like to call Vice Sports Captain Miss Gyaneshwari Jadhav. She is good in academic and achieved many medals in taekwondo, running race, and table tennis. Over to you, sir.
I,
I, Gyaneshwari Jadhav, as Vice Sports Captain, solemnly promise I will serve my fellow students and school sincerely. I will endeavor to be a perfect role model of discipline. I will actively take part in school activities and endeavor to bring laurels and glory to it. As a prefect, I will uphold loyalty to the traditions and ethos of school. I hope that I will do my best to maintain discipline among students and carry out all the duties entrusted to me. Thank you.
Thank you. Now I would like to call our cultural captain, Master Ayush Salunke. Ayush,
Yes, ma'am.
he is kind, responsible, creative, and believing in a teamwork. Over to you, sir.
I,
I, Ayush Salunke, as cultural captain, solemnly promise I will serve my fellow students and school sincerely. I will endeavor to be a perfect role model of discipline. I will actively take part in school activities and endeavor to bring laurels and glory to it. As a prefect, I will uphold loyalty to the traditions and ethos of the school. I vow that I will do my best to maintain discipline among students and carry out all the duties entrusted to me. Thank you.
thank you.
Thank, thank you. Now I would like to invite Junior Head Boy, Master Yash Rao. Yash Rao,
Yes.
say present if you are here. Yash Rao.
Yes, ma'am, present.
He's polite. He has ability to sort out matters with the patient. Over to you, sir.
I,
I, Yashra, as a junior head boy, solemnly promise I will serve my fellow students and school sincerely. I will endeavor to perfect role of discipline. I will act, I will actively take part in school activities and endeavor to bring glories and glory to it. As a prefect, I will uphold loyalty to the tradition and ethos of school. I vow that I will do my best to maintain discipline among students and carry out all the duties entrusted to me.
thank you.
Thank you. Now I would like to invite Junior Head Girl, Miss Rifat Aga. Rifat,
Yes, ma'am.
she is hardworking, sincere, friendly, and cooperative by nature. She also received medal in Science, Math, English Olympiad, and also the school topper from grade 1. Hand over to you, sir.
I,
I, Rifa Daga, as junior head girl, solemnly promise I will serve my fellow students and school sincerely. I will endeavor to be a perfect role model of discipline. I will actively take part in school activities and endeavor to bring laurels and glory to it. As a prefect, I will uphold loyalty to the traditions and ethos of the school. I hope that I will do my best to maintain discipline among students and carry out all the duties entrusted to me. Thank you.
Thank you, Refer. Thank you, sir. Thank you, respected principal, sir. It is indeed a defining moment for the entire Senate. I hope that these young leaders will uphold the values of the school and keep the Sacred Heart's school flag flying high while discharging their duties honestly and impartially. Now, I'm very privileged to invite respected Vice Principal Sir for the speech.
Thank you, Madam. Honorable Principal Sir Anvay Chikate, Honorable AAM Vishal Jadhav Sir, HM Madam, all my coordinators, dear colleagues, and newly selected council members, parents, and all my dear students. Today, here is a very happy moment to us that one day prior to Independence Day, we just formed our council constitution. Our council students are there. I request council students, please be seated and just listen all the program. You can sit and listen. Dear friends, as I just sharing about this student council, it was a very nice process, and really I proud to my all council members. They had gone through this hard process. Even it was not an election, it was a selection process. First it was the assembly talk, then interview was there, then they just went for the debate, and after that, whatever the collective or the consolidated marks were there, on that basis they had selected, and all students are gems for the school or the participants for this council contest. I like to congratulate them also because wholeheartedly they had participated in the selection process. And I congratulate to all the council member who get selected. And now see, it is rightly said, and honorable principal sir always remind us that when you are holding any post, that post brings you the power, but with the power we are just having responsibilities. Always we have to be that sense that we are carrying a big responsibility on our shoulder. As you are a council member of the student council, the whole school is looking at you as their role model. Just now you had oath for it, and I know that you will carry this throughout the year and made an example to other students, yeah, how to be a student. I welcome you all council members in White House. Previously, before selection, you are there in other houses like Ignis, Aqua, Terra, and Winters. But now you are a proud member of Principal Sir's house. That house is White House. Now you are going to serve for the school and monitor to all the houses. So as I said, the post brings you the power and the responsibility. I know that you all are very much competent to balance the power and the responsibility. I wish you best of luck, and I must appreciate my all teachers for their efforts, all the committee members, selection committee members, Mr. Shrikant Laute, Swati Nangre, Abhijit Kulkarni, Megha Pawar ma'am, and other members who take restlessly efforts to make the things proper. And today this selection process come in the in true scenario. Really, it is a very appreciable job, and I'm thankful to you all, as well as once again I congratulate to all council members, and again I appreciate all the teacher members who took efforts for this. Thank you. Thank you very much. We'll move ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your kind words. Now, I would like to invite our Honorable Respected Principal, sir, to say a few words for our students.
Respected parents, my colleague Vice Principal, AAM, HM ma'am, dear teachers, council members, and dear students. Today we have witnessed the oath ceremony of or investiture ceremony of the new council members. It is a new tradition that is set from last year that we are having it on online platform. See, pandemic can come, pandemic can go, but it will not stop the Poddarites. Is it? The zeal that Poddarites are having, it is very high. No, nothing can stop us. And that's why I can say that there are some proud members, they are with us as a council member. I know the process of selection was difficult. Is it? Many questions were asked to you. Your personality was judged through various things, and then you got an opportunity to be the member of council of school. Of course, I will always say that whenever you will have the post, you will have some responsibility, and that responsibility is to be carried out, taking into consideration as is a soldier on the border do. Soldier thinks for India. Soldier works for India. Similarly, when you will be in the school, whenever you are there in the campus, whenever you are there in online platform, you need to remember that you are the soldiers of the schools who are dedicated and are willingly doing this work. You have taken the oath that you will bring laurels to the institution. I hope, yes, that will be there. And I can say that that spark is there among all the students. And naturally, there are some has to be selected, someone has to go, someone is having some one step ahead than the other. And that's why the selection is there. And I really appreciate you people that you are having that, you can say that leadership quality, and that's why you are selected. I like to congratulate your teachers and your parents also at this point, because they have developed that confidence among you. Your parents' contribution is equally important, and your teachers' contribution is equally important. We are shaping the new generation learners, and I can say that we expect the new prime minister, new president, new you can say the DSP, new doctors, new engineers, many of the new citizens from Poddar International School, Karad, and I can say that seeing the confidence that definitely we will have. I remember one very important thing when one of the scientists, he designed bulb, and he was asked, what is the use of the electricity that electric bulb that you have devised? He said that right now I cannot tell, but when in future this will be used, it will create a miracle. And that same on the same line, I can say that today a spark is shown by you people as the leaders in the school council member, and definitely I can say the future is very bright. Future of the students is very bright, and I can say that confidently that yes, there are future leaders that will come up from Poddar International School, Karad. I congratulate to all the students. I simultaneously congratulate to the teachers that they have put that much effort, and because of which we are able to select the good council members. Of course, it is, you can say that the method required 1 month, nearly 1 month we have followed, but I think that one has to go to hardship, and then one can come out as a shining star. So with the same spirit, you will work that with that hope. I conclude my speech. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir, for your supportive and motivational words. Once again, congratulations to all the council members. But remember, if your action inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, you are the leader. With this quote, now I'll hand over to Mr. Abhijit sir for vote of thanks. Abhijit sir, over to you.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. Leaders are not born, but they are created. A great leader's courage to do things comes from passion, not from position. Good afternoon, Honorable Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, HM Ma'am, AM Sir, and my all teachers, parents, and students. It is my proud privilege to propose vote of thanks on the occasion of Student Council Selection 2021-22 Podar International School, Karad. I would like to thank Chief Guest Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, who continue to inspire us to come with zeal and dedication. Behind every successful program lies the manifold efforts of our committed faculty. I would like to say thanks to this committee. Finally, it is important that we acknowledge the unconditional love and support given to us by our parent. I am thankful to all the parents. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. With the sir's permission, I'll declare that the program is over.
Thank you and congratulations to all.